Good morning. Well, I'm just leaving my second campground in Oregon, Humbug Mountain, and I've got to say it's pretty amazing. It's kind of what I expect from a campground. The hiker-biker area is very nice. Each biker or hiker gets their own little spot, kind of secluded and really neat how it's built, different levels, and everybody kind of comes together and shares and talks. And so I met some really great people, really unique and individuals who each have a different story and different paths, and just kind of really enjoyed sharing with each other. The campground, it was quiet. I walked around yesterday with the dogs. We went down to the beach. People were sitting in their lawn chairs and reading. Some were playing horseshoes. Kids were quiet. Just wasn't a noisy, campground where you have people driving all around all day long, like some of the other ones that I've been to. This was just really peaceful, and you could probably hear Cooper back there. He doesn't want to leave, I don't think. The dogs had fun. They met a few people. They're slowly becoming more comfortable with strangers and socializing like that, which was great. But it's really just a nice place to go. I'd recommend it for anybody. I think it's a little more secluded than some campgrounds away from big cities. Maybe that's why a lot of the campers seem to be older, retirees. But just a really great vibe or atmosphere. Of course, the showers were great. You don't have to pay for them here, or they're part of when you pay your fee, and they're clean and everything. So it's just everything. I can't say anything bad about Humbug Mountain Campground, state park or state campground. It's just really awesome. So now we're going to ride 30 miles to the next campground for the night, Bullard Beach, I think, or Bullard State Campground. And I'm expecting it to be just as nice as Humbug Mountain. So we will talk to you all later.